Okay, in this video we're going to demonstrate to you the InstAlert Benzodiazepine, BZO for short, urine testing strips. InstAlert is a branded product. It's CE marked, as shown on the foil, manufactured by Innovacon. It's packed in test strip boxes containing 50 individual benzodiazepine test strips, and the cutoff is the international NIDA and SAMHSA cutoff for benzodiazepine detection, which is 300 nanograms. So to perform a test when you've collected your urine sample that we have prepared here, all you have to do is open the foil and remove the test strip. And here we have our test strip. If I bring that nearer to the camera, you'll see that you have a coloured dip end with some wavy lines indicating the fluid, the maximum dip line indicated by the arrows, a narrow central section where the test and control lines will come, and actually on the handle end the coding for benzodiazepines BZO. So to perform the test when you're ready to do it, all you have to do is to dip the strip to just below the maximum dip line, and you're holding it in the urine sample for between 3 and 5 seconds to absorb adequate urine. As soon as that's occurred, you can remove the test strip from the urine, and then you're laying it on a flat surface or holding it flat for the test to run. And what you'll see, if I bring that close to the camera, is in the centre section of this test strip the pinkish dye osmotically being absorbed and travelling up through the test strip towards the handle end. And you'll see also developing in this test strip is a colour line developing at what will be the test line. It's just reached the area where the control line is going to form now. And what we'll see as this test clears is a control line forming, which is the control line is formed nearest to the handle end, and then nearer to the dip end you've got the test line. So the interpretation of these results is dependent on the presence or absence of a test line. You must have a control line showing, and you can interpret this as a clear negative result because you've got both control and test line showing. Now there's no need to wait for the 5 to 10 minutes full development time on this. If you've got both lines clearly shown, you can interpret this as a clear negative result for benzodiazepines and move on to the next test. If there's no test line developing, you do need to wait for the manufactured specified time, and then at that timing, if there is no test line, that is a positive test. It indicates that benzodiazepines have been detected in the sample at or above the cutoff detection level set for that test. So that's the InstAlert Benzodiazepine test strip, available in packs of 50 from UK drug testing. It's professional standard benzodiazepine screen. The accuracy on these membranes is between 97 and 99% on all parameters, and that's compared to gas chromatography mass spectrometry, which is the gold laboratory standard. So these are used extensively in the UK for screening for the presence of benzodiazepines and excluding all the negative test results and not having to move to a laboratory screen on those samples.